Hello everyone, my name is Lilia Boyko, and today I would like to talk to you about my capstone project idea, which will focus on advanced delivery of healthcare, specifically mobile ultrasound imaging. And I would like to discuss the goals, objectives that I have, as well as the steps I plan to take in order to develop a successful business expansion proposal that I can present to my employer, which is UW Medicine. So the reason I'm interested in this subject is because currently I am a sonographer at UW Medical Center, and I think that this mobile unit will serve two types of people. And the first one is obviously the consumers, so they won't have to travel quite as far, and I'm really passionate about making everything as easy as possible on the patient. But also it'll benefit the sonographers themselves, people like myself, because I think it will create a lot more career opportunities for us. So the first goal and step in my project would be to educate the medical community about the need for this by highlighting the change in delivery methods of other goods and services and other industries, and showing how healthcare has failed to do that, and that we need to have a more consumer-focused approach to things and really make it as easy as possible on our patients. And it's not necessary for them to travel, hundreds of miles to come to downtown Seattle in traffic, pay for parking to get a simple ultrasound. And so I would like to focus on communities that are rural, so people that live far away, and also high-risk populations such as inmates and nursing home residents, because all of these people really struggle to find transportation and may require significant supervision during transportation. It makes it really inconvenient. So my goal is to make this delivery of ultrasound exams to these populations as easy and seamless as possible. And I think in doing so, another goal and side effect would be improved patient satisfaction. My strategy for these would be to first and foremost evaluate the patient demographics and see on average how far do people travel, how much do they spend on gas or bus tickets or plane tickets and parking and such. And later I would like to get in contact with some of the vendors of the equipment that we would need for a mobile unit, so ultrasound machines, gel, any cleaning supplies that we may need, and to get quotes from them. So later I can sit down with my current supervisor and collect data on reimbursement, and then use the data on reimbursement and the data on cost of supplies to put together a cost-benefit analysis. So the courses that will be utilized in this project is first and foremost my business planning course. I think that's kind of the central course that I will use for this. But utilization of all these other courses will also definitely play a huge hand in this. So finance and accounting and economics and healthcare, I will use both of those to develop my cost-benefit analysis and do all my math sections of this project. Revenue cycle, I think this is an important one because this is the course that will highlight that revenue cycle is not just about reimbursement, but it starts with these patient demographics. Who are we trying to reach? How many hands does this patient information travel through? Also marketing in the healthcare environment. As I said, I would like to market to prisons, correctional facilities, and also nursing homes. So how to do business-to-business marketing, trying to reach these organizations, and also marketing to consumers that live far away. And lastly, organizational theory, because I think that an expansion of a business really affects all the individual employees and the organization as a whole, how it operates. So I think that'll be part of this project as well. Thank you so much for listening to my brief presentation, and I'm looking forward to all your feedback.